Hello everyone, it's Bernadette, simplybart, Cape Town. Thank you for joining me again today. I'm working on a commissioned piece. It's on a board 40 by 40 centimeters, 16 by 16 inches. And I'm going to be doing a split colored Dutch pour on it, and that's why I've already prepped my sides. So to prep my sides, I've used the paint directly from the containers and just painted it with a regular paintbrush, and then I've applied a coat of gesso to the top. So I'm going to be using aqua blue or aqua and white. That's going to be my split colors. Before I get to the laying down the base coat, I've been asked by quite a number of people what I use for a pouring medium. So this is the glue that I use as a pouring medium. I get this glue at the Crazy Store if you live in South Africa, and it's sold in these 1 liter bottles. But you can also get it from P&A at Canal Walk if you live in Cape Town. And then I mix it up in these ratios, 80% glue, so 800 grams of glue. And to that I would add 20% water, which is 200 grams of water. And then I would store it in a container such as this. So I use that as a pouring medium. I find that it works very well on the wood boards as well. It dries really flat and beautiful. And I don't have any issues with cracking or crazing, so I'm very happy for that. So let me get my base coat laid down. I'm using aqua blue, beautiful color. This was a request for this commission. So let me first lay down the white, because the white is going to come in the center. And I think if I can get the white laid down, I'm going to be okay with the aqua. So the aqua is just going to come on my edges. So that's where we're going to lay down the white. And we're doing a Dutch pour, so I don't want a lot of paint on my canvas, just enough to move the paint with a blow dryer. So while I have you here with me and I have your attention, thank you so much for joining me. And thank you to every person, every single person, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I sincerely appreciate your viewership. And for all those who constantly come back to view my videos and who comment and who share and who like, give it a thumbs up, I really appreciate you. Thank you for being here with me and for your support of my channel. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. So there you go. My white is laid down. And then the edges we're keeping for the aqua blue. There we go. All right. Aqua blue at the top edges and the bottom edges. I'm going to be doing my first paint pouring workshop at P&A Canal Walk, Century City on the 27th of February from 11 o'clock. So if you live in Cape Town and you'd like to come and have a look, please come and say hello. There's also still some seats available if you'd like to join. So please, my contact details is in the description box if you live in Cape Town. You can send me an email, or you can find me on Instagram and direct message me, or on Facebook. Please direct message me if you'd like to join the workshop. I'd really like to get to know everybody, especially those who are on the Facebook pages with me, just to get to know and to meet you all. So thank you very much for those who have already registered for the workshop. I am so excited. All right. Right, that's 2 colors laid down. Let's pop the air bubbles. So my colors, I'm going to mention the colors as I pour it onto the canvas. So the first color is Darla's navy blue. Then I've got Zalcraft's oyster gray. I still have to put this color into a squeeze bottle, so I'm just pouring it straight out of the cup for now. I've just mixed this paint up a few minutes ago. Then I'm going with Darla's ultramarine blue, just a hint of it, because this can be a very, very strong, powerful color. I'm going to add some of my teal, but it's a mixture of Viridian from Darla and white. I mixed it up just until I got the shade that I was looking for. The next color is a sunrise, also from Zalcraft. Just a nice soft oyster, I think. Looks like an oyster. Beautiful, beautiful shade. Not a pink and not a peach. And lastly, I'm going with Zalcraft's metallic gold. If I put the gold in between the colors, then it seems like it doesn't appear anywhere. So I'm putting it right on top of the colors because I really want it to show up. All right, I'm already liking those colors together. Let's blow this one out. My blow dryer, as usual, on cool air on low speed. And that's it. As quick as that. I'm still going to use my tubing. So when you do a Dutch pour, you don't want to blow and blow and blow. You blow once and you move on. So I like to use tubing, others like to use a straw, and others just like to use their mouths to blow the air. But for me, the tubing is better. I feel I have better control and I don't get my sweaters dirty. So let's blow this. There are some areas that I'd like to blow out a little bit more. I am in love with this painting. This painting is stunning. Just going to torch it one more time. Just stunning, beautiful. Let me bring you down for a close-up.